Molten lava chocolate cake. Cousin Ashley has about a bar of semi-sweet chocolate, and she also has about 8 tablespoons of unsalted butter, which is a stick. Gonna melt that down, make sure it's all melted and incorporated, and don't forget a pinch of salt. Salt enhances the flavor of chocolate and sweets. So far, this is really easy. Want to get started on the cake base. I have 1 whole egg here and the yolk from another egg. Slowly separate that. Add the yolk in there. 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Want to beat this until it becomes nice and fluffy. You want to create as much air as possible. This is where the lift is going to come in that ramekin. All right, Ashley, I'm done over here. Is that chocolate melted?
We looking good.
Okay. I want to slowly fold in this hot chocolate. You got to temper it. You don't want to scramble. You also want to fold it in because you don't want to lose that volume in the eggs and sugar.
It's that moment when you take the spoon or the fork and just, and it just oozes out. So yeah.
Ooh, I know that's right. Now I want to sift in 2 tablespoons of flour. How about you fold and I sift in?
Okay. Under, over.
Okay, you're getting there, girl.
I mean, a little something, a little.
So I've got 2 ramekins here that I have buttered and kind of coated with some cocoa so it doesn't stick. You don't want to fill it all the way to the top. Need some room to rise.
This looks so good.
All right, oven is set to 425. We're gonna pop this in there for 12 minutes.
Okay.
Smell it. You smell like chocolate?
Get it out, get it out.
Oh, they're so pretty. Gorgeous. Careful with these. These are fairly sensitive.
I mean, look at this.
Speak my language. All right, so Ashley, what we're gonna do is run the paring knife around the edges to make sure it doesn't stick, okay? When I put the plate on top, position it in the center, flip it over, okay?
Wow.
Let's see, let's see. Oh, that's it. Take some of that powdered sugar, top it off with a little raspberries on top. There you go. Cheers.
Ooh.
Ooh.
This is magic.
Now taste it. That's good. That's good.